am Anna, and I'd like to invite you to join our program Build. With this 12 weeks program, we will assess your skills as a leader and an entrepreneur, assess your market segment potential, design your business model and strategy, and help you to put technology to ensure a successful launch. All that you need is to allocate 10 hours a week for going through our video class, the ebook and the exercises, and join our video conference weekly. Are you interested? Get in contact with us and book a time so that we can give you further information. I'm looking forward to welcome you.